If you're considering whether a career in real estate is the right choice for you or not, you're in the right place, so listen up. My name is Jeremy Smith with Living an Epic Life in Real Estate. I'm going to tell you the top 3 reasons why real estate probably isn't the best choice for you. So obviously you know that there are a ton of careers and paths for you to choose from, and looking from the outside in at any successful real estate agent out there, that's all you see is the success. I mean, come on, who wouldn't love all the money, the cars, the flexible schedule, the traveling, the nice clothes, and the beautiful homes? Well, the reality is it's not all that you see in the movies and on the TV shows. So guys, let's get right into it. And the number 1 reason why real estate is not the best choice for you, probably because you're lazy. Now, if you're somebody who loves to sit at home, lay around binge watching your favorite TV shows, sleeping in, and doing things really casually on your own time, real estate probably isn't the choice for you. But if you're somebody who likes to hang out late at night with your friends, partying on all the weekends, leaving your chores for the last minute, procrastinating, and getting nothing done, real estate definitely is not the right choice for you. Now, that's not to say there's anything wrong with enjoying your free time, hanging out with friends, and if you don't like to work, then you just don't like to work. But the reality is, if that's your deal, real estate for sure isn't the right place for you to be. And that's okay, there's all types of different people in this world. And the reality is that being a real estate agent really requires dedication. It requires dedication, it requires commitment, it requires grit, it requires hustling to be out there to constantly be looking for your very next lead. Because the reality is, if you don't have leads, then you don't have clients and you just don't get paid. Now, the second reason that you probably should not consider real estate as a career is if you are an impatient person. So for instance, if you don't like waiting for things, you prefer instant gratification, or get easily frustrated when things don't happen your way right away, real estate is probably not going to be the best thing for you. You're not going to enjoy it, because real estate, the fruit that you pick is due to work that you put in several months prior. So seldomly does instant gratification work in this industry. And if that's your deal, then probably you need to go look somewhere else. So something that it's important to know for you is that leads just don't come right away. Your first deal is not gonna come right away. None of it comes right away. It's all a result of building your brand over time and building your expertise at connecting with people and building relationships. This industry is definitely a relationship building industry. That just doesn't happen overnight. So being patient is gonna be a requirement for you to be successful in real estate. But on the flip side of that, if you are a patient person and you're willing to put in the work, you're willing to wait the time that's required to wait to improve on those relationships, gain the trust and build your brand, you'll find a lot of success here in real estate. Now, lastly, the third thing that will help you to know that this is the wrong career for you if you are a quitter. If you're a quitter, pack your bags now, hang it up, go on to another video. You don't need to watch anymore. Real estate is not for quitters. So if you tend to find yourself giving up early, quitting when things get tough, being a procrastinator, and not following through with your commitments, this is really an industry that's going to eat you alive. You're not gonna have a lot of success here. You see, procrastinating and not finishing things out immediately here in the real estate world just mean that you're gonna lose out on a lot of opportunities, which is gonna result in you not getting paid. Now, these are just 3 reasons why the real estate industry is probably not gonna be the right place for you. However, if you are a hard worker that never quits, doesn't give up, and gets things done promptly and proactively, who knows, you may be the next top agent in the country and you don't even know it yet, but you do have the skill set and the work ethic to go ahead and be very successful in real estate. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this content helpful or even entertaining, feel free, please do, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more content. And as always, go out there, have a great week, make it an epic life in real estate. And if there is anything that I can do to serve and support you, please post your questions in the comments or reach out to me directly, and I'll do whatever I can to make sure that you are living your epic life here in real estate. Take care.